Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Traffic on the Spot. And today, bibisitahin natin ang Angrydobo ni Miss Juday Santos Agoncillo and Mr. Ryan Agoncillo. I've heard Filipino dish yung specialty nila, adobo. And time out muna tayo sa Angrydobo. Tsaka sa tingnan muna natin kung masarap yung food nila. Rate natin sila from 1 to 5. 1 being the lowest, 5 being the perfect. Bibigyan namin kayo ng verdict. Alright? Wow. Kabilang kitchen.
Well, as of now, everything is available. So, to order ko na to, proceed tayo.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
I like drinking. Yes po. Sir, Angry Bowls, yung classic.
Classic food.
Ano ba yung best seller nyo maliban dito sa adobo classic?
Shortage and chicken.
Okay, bigyan mo ako nun.
Yung ano sir?
Yun, kasasabi mo lang.
Chicken and
Yes.
shortage. Ano na lang po yung side burger? Laing or DPP?
Ano ba masarap po?
Laing.
Laing? Sige, yung laing na lang.
Some classic bowl laing, shortage laing, chicken bowl laing.
Yes, tsaka pengi akong adobo fully loaded.
Classic.
Yes. Tapos, 3 cheese. 3 cheese, flying saucer. Ano ba pagkakaiba nito ng dalawa?
Sir, 3 cheese flying saucer. Sir, may tatlong cheese na gamit. Kesong puti, mozzarella na.
Okay.
Ito naman sir, may labas kong pork belly. Ito sir.
Okay. Okay, sige, ito na lang.
Yung 3 cheese na lang sir.
Yes, tsaka yung drinks is
3 cheese, nacho.
ano na lang, Guayabano shake.
Ang available lang sa drinks, sir, is pineapple and watermelon. Then yung instant natin na Sprite instant.
Okay. So, wala. Alright. Pineapple lang. Okay, water na lang siguro.
Pineapple.
Hindi, mag-water na lang ako. Okay guys, so in order natin, here is Angry Adobo Classic, which is yun yung pinaka-original menu nila, yung specialty nila. And tinanong ko yung counter kung ano yung next na masarap. Sabi nila is the Angry Adobo short ribs. Okay, so in order din natin siya. And on the top of that, umorder din tayo ng Angry Adobo fully loaded nachos. Okay, after that, sunod is 3 cheese flying saucer. And yeah, titikman natin. Napakita ko sa inyo kung gano'n kasarap. Itsura and all. Sabi nila pang 2 to 3 person daw yung serving. Tingnan natin. Guys, so next is the nachos, guys. Look at that. Okay. See? Wow. So cool. Ano yun? Okay. Yung nachos. Kumaya, tikman natin yan. Masarap. Okay. Ito yung 3 flying saucers. Okay. Tikman natin yung mamaya, but first things first, titikman muna natin yung pinagmamalaki nila. Okay. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa tikman portion, which is my favorite part. Titikman natin kung gaano kasarap ang adobo, adobo ribs nila Ms. Juday and Santos Agoncillo and Mr. Ryan Agoncillo. Sir, para sa inyo po. Okay. Una, tikman natin yung laing. Laing, oh. Musok pa, oh yeah. Woo! Oh, masarap. In fairness, masarap yung laing. Okay, next. Kuma naman natin yung adobo na may laman. Meron, by the way, meron silang special sauce na nilagay. So, oh, busok pa guys. Mabilis yung serving nila. Okay, hindi ka nalugi. Pag gutom ka, mabilis. Cheers. Sarap siya guys, pwede. But may, parang, well, sakto lang. Okay, well, it's good. Different style ng adobo, but I'd give them, okay, I would say okay. Okay guys, so next is the classic adobo. Alright, this is the specialty of this restaurant. With laing din siya. Sa laing. Titikman na natin. Okay. Ay, muntik malaglag. With rice. So, tikman na natin kanina yung laing. So, hindi natin titikman yan. Tikman na lang natin itong Angrydobo. Alright. Ito na siya mga kapatid. Classic adobo. Angrydobo. Sakto lang. Okay lang, sakto lang. Ibang presentation. I like the presentation. So, masarap naman siya. Masarap, but, well, for me, it's just a normal adobo with laing. But in fairness, ito yung presentation, masarap. And yung cut ng baboy is talagang premium cut guys. As in premium cut siya, hindi siya yung basta cut lang ng baboy. So talagang premium cut siya. Okay, so let's move on to the next, which is the nachos. Okay guys, so dadako naman tayo sa dakong nacho. Angrydobo, fully loaded nachos. Tikman natin. Tikman natin. Okay guys. Ito complete seasoning. Hindi ko alam kung pare-pero ng lahat ng nachos. Tikman natin. Nalaglag pa. The difference just compared sa ibang nacho kasi may ito, kakaiba siya, which is I like. Meron din siya nito. Ano ba to? Basta yun na yun. Yeah. That's all, guys. Okay guys, so dadako naman tayo dito sa Trichy Flying Saucer. Okay, titikman natin siya, tingnan natin kung masarap, and ihimayin natin siya. Okay. Tignan natin kung ano meron sa loob. Okay, himayin na natin siya. Okay, dyan muna. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so the easiest way para makita kung masarap yung food is i-dissect. So, da-dissect natin siya. Okay. Okay, so yung nasa taas na is parang nasa taas ng nachos, which is adobo flakes. Okay? So yun yung pinakalaman niya sa loob yata. Okay, what else do we see? That's it. Okay, sa kabila. Okay. Ano ba ito? Oh. Meron din some cheese. Okay. Tikman natin. Tikman natin. Babat. Ito na lang. Ito na lang. Cheers. Okay na ma'am. Okay. Well, nalasahan ko lang yung adobo flakes. Okay, meron siyang seasoning guys. Hindi ko lang ito, tomato paste. Okay. Tomato paste nga. Okay. Lagyan natin. Baka papasarap siya. Yeah guys, okay siya. Mas maganda lagyan mo siya ng sauce, huwag laging plain. Hindi mo talaga masarap. And I like the cheese. So sa lahat na kinain namin, it's very unique. Hindi ko lang experience yung ganitong food. Combination ng laing sa adobo. Very, very brilliant. Okay. So, yeah. Sobrang butod ko na. As in, sobra. Hindi ko na maubos to. Saka yan. Bawal i-take out. Ubusin mo siya dito sa loob. Well, in fairness, may nakalagay naman sa pinto na no take out. Pero sayang kasi. I mean, meaning kapag sobra-sobra pala in order mo bawal yun. Which is para sa akin, pangit yung policy ko. So, binayaran mo yan, dapat pwede mong iuwi. Okay? So, yeah. Okay guys, so we're done eating in Angrydobo. Okay, it was a unique experience. Yung adobo nila is may laing and all. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko is yung ribs, adobo ribs. Kasi yung classic is medyo pagka maasing yung pagkakatimpla. Okay? And the rest Okay yung nachos, okay um, yung 3 cheese. Basta yun na yun. Okay. So, just a few pointers lang, guys. Doon kasi sa napesohan namin, may tumutulo sa aircon. Hindi naman siya consistent na tulo, pero may tulo. Okay. Also, may langaw. So, may candle dun sa pwesto namin. Siguro yun yung purpose niya, pampataboy, but still, meron. Okay. Tsaka, well, nag-try ako mag-order ng drinks like shakes and all. Hindi siya available. Okay, I'm not sure why, pero hindi siya available. Alright? And one more thing, wala siyang CR. Pupunta pa daw kami ng Army Navy para makapag-restroom. So, okay. And also, meron kaming tira. Yung nachos, ang dami kasi ng serving sa guys. Okay. Kaya lang, bawal i-take out. Okay, so, yun. Yun yung mga pointers ko, but on the bright side, mabilis yung serving nila. As in guys, wala pang 5 minutes, okay na yung in-order namin, yung dish namin na in-order, okay na, 5 minutes, pwede ka na kumain. The presentation of the food is pretty amazing, guys. Ang ganda niya. Okay. Yung mga crew nila is very accommodating, guys. Napaka-lively ng place. Okay, and magagalan yung crew nila. Very attentive sila sa mga customers nila sa loob. Tsaka yung place, guys, very homey. Na-customize siya. Yung mga designs, as in made with love. Okay? And also, first time kong kumain ng adobo na adobo with laing, and guys, it's amazing. I never thought na may matitikman akong ganon. Very unique. Thank you po sa pagkain, Mrs. Agoncillo, Mrs. Juday Agoncillo, Mr. Agoncillo, napakasarap po. And thank you, nabusog po kami. And the verdict, ay masarap yung food. Masarap, medyo maasim nga lang yung classic. And I would give them 3.5. Why? Kasi nga, yung may aircon, may tumutulo. May langaw na umiikot. Hindi available ibang drinks. And wala po siyang CR. Tsaka yung tira po namin, di namin pwede take out. So, maybe in the future, we could change that. And that's it. Again, welcome to my channel. This is Trap Food. We travel, we eat, and we go. That's it. Bye.